and welcome to Kids Connect. In today's video, we will talk about trees. Trees are the greatest gift for humans given by nature. They support our lives by providing oxygen, fruits, vegetables, and wood. They give shelter to birds and animals and shade to us. Trees purify air and atmosphere. They keep our Earth's temperature normal. They prevent flood and cause rain. Trees also give us medicines, rubber, oil, etc. Some people worship trees. We all cannot live without trees. Trees are important part of our lives. Let us talk about few trees. Banyan tree. Banyan tree are huge, ever expanding trees. They have large number of aerial roots. Banyan tree has a lifespan of 200 to 300 years. It has great medicinal value. People worship this mighty tree, and this tree is also known as Kalpavriksha in Indian culture. Now we move to peepal tree. Peepal tree is also known as Bodhi tree. It is a deciduous tree that is native to India. It is a huge tree with heart-shaped leaves. It is considered sacred and worshipped in our culture. It purifies the air and has medicinal value. Now we move to mango tree. Mango tree gives us mangoes in summers, which is king of fruit. It is also our national fruit. Mango trees are tall and leaves are long and slender in shape. Mango leaves are used for making bandhan bars and puja. Its wood is used in havans. Now we move to another tree. That is neem tree. It is a fast growing tree with average height of 15 to 20 meters. Neem tree is very good as it has many uses. Its leaves, fruits and seeds oil are used in making herbal oils, soaps, medicative creams, medicines, face wash and toothpaste. Its twigs are used for cleaning the teeth and gums. One should also eat tender leaves of neem as it purifies our blood. Now we move to Ashoka tree. Ashoka is an evergreen tree. It has thin trunk and long and slender leaves. Leaves of Ashoka tree have medicinal value. Its bark, seeds and flowers are also used for making medicines. Here comes banana tree, which is actually not a tree as it is called. It is a plant. It has a green stem, which is not woody. This plant has no branches. The leaves grow from the top part of the plant. Banana plant is very useful for us. Its fruit eaten raw as well as in ripe form. Its leaves are used in place of plates for serving food in southern India. Its flower and stem are also edible. Now we move to coconut tree. It is a tall tree with woody stem, like banana tree. It has no branches and it has big leaves that grow from the tree top. Fruit of this tree is a nut with a hard woody covering. parts of coconut tree are very useful. Its leaves are used for roofing of hut and for making baskets and mats. Its husk is used for making ropes. Coconut shell is used for making decoration pieces, and fruits is used in pujas, in making prasads and eaten raw as well as dried form. Coconut sap is also collected from the trunk and is used for making alcoholic drink. Coconut milk and oil are also used in cooking and in making medicines. So coconut is indeed a very special fruit and tree for us. Now comes palm tree. These are tall trees. There are 2500 species of palm tree in the world. Coconut, betel, dates, etc. come in the palm category of palm tree only. All palm trees are not trees. Some are shrubs too. The woody stems of palm tree are used as building material. Leaves are used for making baskets and for fencing and roofing. Lifespan of palm tree is up to 100 years. Palm tree thrive in hot and moist climate. Trees come in different shapes and sizes. They live for many years and serve us. We must take care of trees and plant as many trees as possible. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and stay connected to Kids Connect. With this note, I end this video. Have a good day. Thank you.